let's just unpack indaba zika Owami, Bodli Owami. That's why she told us this story. So she had a problem when she went to do ama video arc, and then she was putting the stuff in the boot, and then she says she did lock the boot. Her lenses, the cameras, lighting, everything that she needs to do videos. And I even think with Connie video vele I lose lapho for her podcast when they took her stuff. So she says she was hungry, she went to buy pizza, and then she's thinking the boot is locked, her stuff is there. And then she goes home, and she's opening up the boot to take out some stuff. All the stuff is gone. So she was asking Guti if people can help her. So I was just like, you know what, as YouTubers, we need to help out. If we can just tell, because she was telling her ninjas, her followers, they on her subbies basically on her YouTube channel. But it's a very sang story. Guys, we go through the most as well as YouTubers. It's a lot. You'll think she's making money, but say guys, losing cameras, not cameras. She lost a lot of stuff in the boot. She's like, I don't even know how. But I mean, I'm like, you know what? The people who saw her putting the stuff in the boot, those are the ones that took the stuff there at them. Because she says she's renting a space there for her shoots, and all of that. It's sad, no lie. Like I was still saying, Guti, you'll think that She's making a lot of money. She's got a few YouTube channels. I know two, Bodli Owami and the other one, Owami Entertainment. Those are the only two I know. You'll think she's making money. But guys, it's just never enough. We've got a lot to do, and there's a lot going on as well. You didn't budget for that also. How are you going to buy them? That's just my thing. Guys, it's crazy, man. If you can help her, please help her. Into is very, very sad. Buy the Mami Club reunion. I'm going to do it. So, she doesn't go, guys, to the reunion. Everyone's just like, this girl. Is she Dilulu? What's up with her? And then she goes to Palisa's podcast. Even though Owami did speak about that. Isihamba angayi ku-reunion season 3 or part 1. Normally they would do like 2 parts, And then Usisi never came to the reunion, but ngimbonile ekhalisa kuPalisa esekhuluma ngala ma ladies la. But guys, it really amazing for me ukuthi it is amazing actually ukuthi she became that person. Ukuthi this is the same person owayehlukumezana noNoksi. It's here when Noksi ucathi ungcono, how are you better just because ushade nomlungu. Guys, those izinto sezingenaphi. Because you can't take accountability and apologize to people. After Mrs. J, Mhlangela nayo Mrs. J, although Mrs. J took it to other directions, even her at the reunion. I'm still gonna do the reunion on its own, but I was just like, even her Mrs. J, what was that all about? That screaming now at the reunion. Yeah, Lina, how Bo Peladi. Wambiza ngesifebe sasePitoli on top of that, just to put it bluntly. Mrs. J ebiza uPeladi wathi I was kanhlompotha wona mukwantiwa ko Pretoria. Please. And then uPeladi ka bengane ke crying there. Hlebari njalo gossiping about the other ladies at Palisa's voice, something like that, her channel uMagaba Humi umuntu kaSomizi. Yabona ukuthi fanele abantu so identify until you find them. Which Palisa are you talking about again? Yeah, so sizom identify kanjalo. How? Usisi eseyikhalisa at that, but you can't go to the reunion. Why can't you just go to the reunion and cry there and tell people off like you used to tell Unozi off? That's just my thing. I don't know what you guys think, but I was just like, this lady, brah, please. Bam, don't manje good tweets. They don't ring her everywhere. They're dragging her. They're like, Sissy, why didn't you go to the reunion and say those things there? Instead of now, usukhuluma ngabantu suyakhalisa those ladies guys, those ladies didn't do anything to you. Nothing. When ubusy noNoksi wamdonsa uNoksi wamtshela the way acathi ungcono kakhona, and uNoksi never even came across as that person. Ucabanga ukuthi ungcono just because ushade nomlungu. Guys, Where is that even coming from? Usisi, just because she couldn't take accountability, nang novui, don't nabantu that reunion. I'm just like, these ladies need to come down. And I'm just like, Uvui, the Pelad, they mustn't come back on season 4. Please, if it's season 4 now, they can't come back. Andy, Uhepi was still saying, you know, Emina, you know how I am, I will take accountability. Nah, she was just not herself in season. She was another person or strange. And then you say Jigelu Jabu Sande never takes any accountability for anything. Wakhala ku season 2. Usisi ku reunion masa kafanele ukuthi akhulume wakhalela ukuthi yena unenkinga life ini zokungaphatheki kahle empilweni. Angifuni ukusho ngegama lesingisi ngoba uYT will take you to other directions. So ngizoke ngime lapho sizoqhubeka nge-reunion, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you.